Welcome everyone. This is Job Science once again with you with all of the new and latest jobs. And my today's location is Oman, and all of them are local jobs. Only those people can apply for this job who are living in the Oman and who are Oman nationals. So, first of all, look at the long list of the jobs today. My first job is we need female nurse, then sales representatives needed in Muscat, and then IT purchase, and then female baker needed urgent, need a chef assistant for a small restaurant, and housemaid required in MQ. I think this is Muscat, and then is looking for a barista in Muscat, required helpers, and urgently require sales representatives and executives, food delivery riders needed, and required staff for spare parts. Then is looking for skilled Indian construction workers. Job available in Salah and gypsum work, building design, construction work, maintenance work. This is not exactly the job, by the way, but this is actually an ad for all those who need this kind of work. They have expertise in these fields like gypsum work, building designs, construction work, and maintenance work. Okay, ji, that is my today's job list, and once again, I'm going to start the video with the details of all of the jobs with a message. Please like all my videos, subscribe all my videos, subscribe my channel if you are visiting for the channel for the first time. So please subscribe it and hit the bell icon and select all for all of the latest updates. Like all my videos, share all my videos, and watch this video up to the end. I thank you all. And then the details of my first job that they need some female nurse. Oman, Muscat. The location is Muscat in Oman, and they are looking for a female nurse to work in Oman. Need 3 years experience. So they need a person who have at least 3 years experience. And MOH, obviously, without MOH is no one is going to apply, or no one is going to get a job of this kind in the nursing profession. MOH or exam from metric and data flow from Oman. So if you are interested and you have an experience regarding the title 3 years, and you have MOH license as well, in that case, please apply for the job. And they have given you a number. Call them, share your CV on the following WhatsApp number. And then is sales representative needed in Muscat. They need a candidate with 3 years of sales and marketing experience. So they need a person who have at least 3 years experience in marketing and have good knowledge of Oman market, have his own car as well. So they need a person. This is sales representative, and who have at least the knowledge of the Oman market. First of all, secondly, he has to work to bring the business to the company, and the person should have his own car and have a knowledge of Microsoft as well. So they need a person with 3 years experience, having his own car and having a knowledge of Microsoft as well. And they have given you the number. Please share your updated CV at the following number, or you can call them for getting the further details. Next is IT purchase. Al Khawair Muscat. I don't know whether I pronounce it well or not. So we require IT purchase with minimum 5 years of experience in networking. So they need an IT person who have at least 5 years of experience in networking. And please WhatsApp their your CV on the following number. If you have any, not any, if you have 5 years experience minimum, right? If you have more than that, you would be preferred, and your salary would be dependent on their experience as well. Next is female bakers needed urgent. Al Ghobra, Muscat. Female cake and pastry maker, and they need a baker, female, but the person should be female, visa available. More details, please contact. So please call them, get the details, and then apply if you are interested. This is the job for the females only. So, need a chef assistant for a small restaurant. They have mentioned nothing except that the location, Oman, Muscat, and given you the number. So please call them for getting the details, the timings, the salary, the job type. So they need a chef assistant. Chef assistant is needing. It's a small restaurant, so they didn't mention anything regarding the job. So please call them and share your CV if you are interested and you want to do something. So this is a good time. You please, as they mentioned in nothing, your visa, your the location, they have mentioned nothing. And the housemaid required in MQ. Once again, there is a housemaid is needing for a small family in Medina, Sultan Qaboos. So they have given you their WhatsApp number, and they didn't mention any other details regarding the title. So please, it's important for you to call them to get the details regarding the job, to get the details regarding the job. And this is housemaid. Now I have no idea whether it is a live-in job or you have to whether it is live-in or full-time, or it may be part-time, or for the kids housekeeping or for the babysitting. So you need to call to get the details for this kind of job. And they didn't mention even for the job is for male or female. And they're looking for barista in Muscat, Medina Sultan, Caboose, Muscat, looking for five barista to work in new branch of specialty coffee. So barista is needing in some coffee shop. And please share your CV at the following number. They have given you the WhatsApp number, so better to share your CV, and you can call them for further details as well. Then required helper needed in Muscat, looking for cleaners and helpers. So this is a job for all those who have no experience and who have, very new to the place. So they can go for this job, looking for cleaners and helpers. So if you want to do something, it's a good opportunity. These are the small jobs. These are with less burden. So comparatively, these are simple jobs, and you can earn at least nothing is better than sorry. Something is better than nothing. I'm sorry. Looking for cleaners and helpers. Accommodation provided by the company. 2 years contract is needing. And after successful completion of the 2 years contract, the company will provide the ticket to your home country as well. So this is a good opportunity. I think so. If you are doing nothing these days, you can apply for these job. A job is of helper and cleaners, and they want the person who is available for immediately, because they need a person who can join them immediately. And so, after completing 2 years of working with them, they will provide you a ticket as well for your homeland as well. So, there is a number. Please share your CV and get the details and apply through this number as well. Sharing your CV would be enough for applying. Next job is urgently required sales representative executive. So it's a job of executive type. Al Khubra Muscat urgently requires sales representative executive for a reputed company in Aziba. So there is a reputed company. They need some sales representative executive and 2 years experience with driving license. So they need a person who have driving license as well and have 2 years experience of sales representative working and the capacity of sales representative. So if you are interested, so please share your CV on they will call you, they will shortlist first of all, and they will call you then and share your CV. Just share your CV. And if you want to get further details, please call them. I don't know whether they are going to attend that call or not, because they are also, they are shortlisting first of all. They will do shortlisting and then they will call for the interview. So I don't know whether what is their, as they didn't mention that do not call them. So we are okay with it, that if we can call, they have to attend, because they didn't mention this thing. So whether no problem, please share your CV, by the way, if you are having any experience regarding this sales representative. Then food delivery riders need food delivery riders with their own cars. Good package will be given. Area is Al Khawair, Al Mawala. Contact by WhatsApp, so you can contact them through this WhatsApp number if you have your own car, and the job is of food delivery drivers and riders are needed. So the job is once again a simple job, and if you have your own car, then you can do this job. They are offering you a good package, but they didn't mention. So better, I think, so they would discuss all these things during the interview. So next is required staff for spare parts. So once again, a staff is needing accommodation provided by the company. 2 year a contract would be of 2 years. After completing 2 years, you will, they are going to provide you a ticket as well for your home country. They need the person on an immediate base, and English language must be, they need a person who can speak in English, and person required staff. Once again, I'm telling you that once again, it's a easy job, what I believe, and whether the actual conditions, obviously, we have no idea what is actually going on there, but apparently this looks a simple job. So if you are doing nothing, you want to do something, so this is a good opportunity as well. They didn't mention any special thing except that they want a person with English language. So share your CV and get the details if you want any by calling them at the given number. Okay, next is looking for skilled Indian construction workers. So they need some Indian person, skilled Indian construction worker needing jobs available for construction workers. They are interested in Indian, ready to join immediately. But once again, they want a person who can join them immediately. Masons, they need masons, they need steel fixers, SH carpenters. So applicable to manpower suppliers. So they are also, this ad is for the manpower suppliers as well, and applicable to companies interested in transfer of visa of their workers. And this ad is for all those companies as well who can transfer their workers to other companies. So interested workers, manpower suppliers, companies. So this is a wide range ad. Interested workers, manpower suppliers, and companies, please contact our engineer. So if you want to contact their engineer, then the number is given, and the company numbers is right below the engineer's number. So you can call them, get the details, apply. They are needing some Indian construction workers. Jobs available in Salha, Oman, Dhofar, last mile logistic, LML. So 10 vacancies are available there. They need pickers and packers for T-Mart store in Salah. So once again, this job available in Salah, and they need pickers and packers, and requirements. A person should be able to speak in English. Basic salary is 180, overtime per hour, and 9 hours duty per day with 1 hour break, 6 days in week, 26 days in months. So they have given you all of the details, the working hours, your duty timing is given, your break time is given. You need to work 26 days a month and 9 hours per day. And the basic salary would be 180. The person should be able to speak in English. Now, I have no idea regarding the 0.70, the overtime value in their money. 0.70, I don't know whether it is what is actually the number is. So then is and how to apply. This is the job, and then hire. If you want to apply, then there is a number. Share your CV, and there are 10 vacancies, by the way. So there are many jobs you can apply there. Hopefully, you will get the chance. Then my last ad is pretty different from the rest of the ads. This is gypsum work, building design, construction work, maintenance work. There is a company in Mahabala, Muscat, Al Dahabi Al Abiyad Trade and Construction, and association, I think. So we are contracting company in Mabila, Muscat, Sultanate of Oman, right? So there is a contracting company. They are doing all types of construction works like villas. They also can do commercial and residential buildings since last 15 years. So they are doing things since last 15 years, and doing design work, full material contract, vehicle contract, labor contract work. So they are working with all these things. And the company presently 30 skilled laborers with skilled foremen, electricians, laborers, and experienced engineers. So they have this company has experienced engineers. They have skilled foremen, electricians, and laborers. 30 skilled persons are with them. So they've done almost 20 projects in last 12 years with villas, commercial buildings, industrial projects, and mosques. So all these things they already have done in last 12 years. So but they want they need, if you want a good and quality work, please contact with them. And this is Engineer Feroz. The ad is from Engineer Feroz. They have given their mobile number. So this is actually for the companies or for the, any client who want to build something and they need some help. So this is a company who is providing you this kind of help: gypsum work, building design, construction work, maintenance work. So anyways, it's a different ad in our video today. So that was my last job today, and we will meet again in the next video. We job science will meet with you in the next video. Up till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.